If you love to hear and see the story, then today's story is Old Farmer, His Lazy Sons. Once there was an old farmer who was very anxious about his lazy sons. One day he called them and said that he was trying. He also told them to dig their field if they wanted to get the treasure. The sons dug up the entire field but found no treasure. Then the farmer told them to sow seed. The sons did so, and the rich harvest made the sons realize what their father meant by treasure. How did you like the story? If you like it, like the story, comment, share it with everyone. If you like the story, subscribe to the channel.